Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to add contact in WhatsApp and how to save new numbers. To do this, it's so simple. You just need to go to your WhatsApp and after that, go click on that green icon on the bottom right of the screen with the plus icon. Click on it, and as you can see now, you will have this option, and for this option you just need to click on the second option, new contact. And as you can see, you will have this screen now where you can write the first name, the last name of that contact, and plus the country code. And you need to choose the country code of that contact. After that, write the phone number. And if you want to synchronize contact to your phone also, you just need to activate this option. And that's it. After that, you just need to click on save, and like that you will save your new contact. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.